How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our dual memory dart traffic advisor. So when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your dart going to your cable harness here. Now you'll notice a connector, and this is to be used with our optional direct control, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your SIG plug here for power, which you can cut in Hardwire as well. And then you'll have your aux line here where you can hook up an additional 10 amps of lighting all off of your direct control box. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the functions. So for example here, I'm using my optional direct control, which I plugged in via connector, and then I went ahead and hooked up my SIG plug here to power. Now on my direct control, I have my power button, which will activate my switch box. Now since this is a dual memory unit, I will have mode 1 and mode 2. So in mode 1, I have a half-half style flash pattern programmed, and in mode 2, I have an alternating style flash pattern programmed. And since I'm in warning mode, you'll see that only the center of my bar is activated. And then to change patterns, you can use your pattern button here to cycle to the next pattern in the sequence. And that works whether you're in mode 2 or in mode 1. So let's go over our traffic advising features. Now while you're in traffic advising mode, you'll notice your whole light bar is activated, and you'll have center out, left right, and right left. And then here you'll have your slow to fast switch, which works in traffic advising mode or warning mode. And you do have multiple flash patterns to choose from while you're in your traffic advisor, which you can use using your pattern button. And then here you have your aux button and then night mode. Now let's go over night mode. Now when it comes to our night mode, this will only be applicable on our optional direct control. And there's two ways to activate your night mode. You can either activate your night mode via a button here on your control box, which will activate your red backlight LEDs, or you'll see a white cable coming from your cable harness. Now let me go ahead and deactivate my button here. Now when the white cable has power, you'll see that will activate your night mode and those red backlight LEDs. And then your button will become inactive. So you can either use your white cable or you can use the button. And then you'll see when you activate your functions on the control box that your buttons will illuminate blue while you have your red backlight there. So you'll see you have the perfect option of choosing between hardwiring your night mode, or if you're not using the white cable, you can simply use the button on your control box. When it comes to mounting your dart, you'll notice that you have a slide track on the back of your unit, and you'll get your included brackets, which I went ahead and pre-attached, and you can slide these along your slide track to adjust for your vehicle. So that covers our dual memory dart traffic advisor. Make sure to watch our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also check out our interactive player to fully demo your unit before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.